Hey everybody, in today's lesson we're going to be learning how to bring the singing and the guitar playing together for the song Mama I'm Coming Home. So it goes like this. We already know how to play. We already know this. Now what we're going to do is we try to bring the singing and playing this together. Okay, so it goes. Times have changed, times are strange. Here I come, but I ain't the same. Mama, I'm coming home. Time go by, seems to me you could be a best friend to me. Mama, I'm coming home. So you're going to be practicing till this point for this week. Got it? So until I see you for the next week, bye-bye.